sliding on with this shit that you know what we on, yeah. Been in cars and we gone, running light from the sun, wax up like my baby, louder than a gun when I slide through, catching all the smoke like I roll too, cause you know that they be hating too, but we just keep on building up, we bulletproof, yeah.
Couplers for the Rx7, yay! Well, do you want to know what we got? We got more parts for the Rx7. Except for this, we got a dumb shift knob for Carlos, a 90 coupler, another 90 coupler, and a straight. Now get in the car and let's get back to the chopper! Whoa, 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 whoa. We don't condone alcohol on this channel? So that's up. What up, Mama Bisho?
Chillin', dog. What's good? You obviously.
Can't go say hi to his wifey because she's sick.
That boy
Walking back so far.
So I could keep you in frame, you ugly.
Oh, so let's go back in there. Oh no, wait, we need the bag. The whole reason why we went on a road trip. Follow me, hello. Welcome to the neighborhood. Follow me, we'll show you some cool shit. Alright, we got a couplers. Got like 3 of them. Don't know why, but we got 3. Rx7, it's being put back together. Motor's in. Didn't really show that process. Kind of. I don't know. Maybe I'll give Carlos the iPhone video if he wants to add it. But up to him. He's probably going to call it hot garbage, but it's whatever. But update, blew the motor up. Got the motor back. Put it back in. It's all wired up with the new shindig. We got a new turbo. V-mounts on. Waiting one crucial part, which is for my wastegate. Who knows when that will show up. I feel like it's lost. But you know, that's how stuff goes for me when I buy stuff online. So if it's lost, it's lost. But yeah, so we're gonna put this stuff together so we can start this up this weekend. So we can make some noise. And so we can go to FL2K maybe. Alright? Alright, bet. This is the main reason why we went and got some couplers. Trying to figure out a way how to reutilize this piece without having to send this car to a fab shop because we don't like fab shops. We are poor, not rich. Alright, but anywho, we're gonna put this on, put it together, hopefully it fits. Maybe I'll have to clock the turbo. Who knows? I don't even know. I'm kind of just winging it. Ugh.
There you go. Come on. Use your chest.
Use the power of the chest.
Get...
What's up, Doc? Alright. Fits. If it fits, it ships. But it's hot. That's all we got for you today. We got the blow-off valve on. Turbo on. That thingy on. It's filled with coolant. Tomorrow we'll get some spark plugs. And hopefully the wastegate comes tomorrow. I've been waiting for this thing for like 2 weeks now. Hopefully the wastegate comes. If the wastegate comes, we can start it this weekend. If we can start it, we can tune it. If we can tune it, more power, baby. So yeah.